Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face tutorial and I'm going to be incorporating a lot of the JOUER Rose Gold collection. I just received this PR package yesterday, I want to say, and I cannot wait to try it because I love rose gold. Anything the JOUER High Essential Coverage, High Coverage Foundation. First I'm going to apply the Elemis Superfood facial oil. I really enjoy this oil, especially when I'm using like a high coverage foundation like this is, the JOUER one. And you just need the smallest amount with this foundation because it will cover so much. So it's like I use maybe half a pump. For brows, I'm going to use the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. I love doing the definer part because I feel like it makes such a difference now. Rid of these dark circles I have under my eye. I'm going to use light beige, the Born This Way concealer. Become my fave. It is just awesome and it blends out like a dream, so easy. Kind of set underneath. You gotta know I'm all yours. This is the JOUER Rose Gold collection. I cannot wait to try these products. I always love JOUER products, JOUER palettes. They always have a huge mirror and the eyeshadows are always so stunning. So how gorgeous is this eyeshadow palette? Why do I love the way you are? Always leave me. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I? Why do I, baby? Why do I? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Here. Gold really comes through. I don't know if you could see that like on camera and stuff, but the gold is what is the majority of the highlight. Do you know what I mean? Like the rose part isn't so much, but the gold part is. So put some right in here. I should have put my blush on first, but so now I'm excited to use this blush here. I think I'm gonna go for the shimmery one. This is the new Rose Gold Blush Duo, so I believe I'm gonna go in with this one. Are the lippies that came in the PR kit. These are the new ones that came from the collection. So this one's a liquid lip, and then this really bright gold one is a lip topper. So it's like a lip gloss topper with all that shimmer in there. And then these are had already launched before and stuff. Go ahead and use the new one for this video today, and this is the Rose Gold Lip Cream. Girl, I wasn't ready. Wow, I'm shook. Oh my goodness, I never thought I could have rose gold lips. That is what this is. This is like straight up rose gold lips. Like I don't, wow, so pretty. So I believe they are launching on JOUER Cosmetics on August 28th. And then I believe in Sephora it'll be 9/11. I believe that's what it is. I will put down in my description box so you guys know when these products are launching. I have to say I love the rose gold collection. It is freaking amazing. JOUER does it every single time. Like, I feel like they put out the most luxurious, like, bomb makeup products, and they take their time with their products. Like, you can just tell. I love the highlight. The blush is amazing. The palette I love, and this lippy I live for. So if you have any requests for any specific tutorials that you want to see, or any specific products that you want to see me using, or anything like that, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in my next video.